Hi, my name is Yujia Lu. I'm a second-year PhD student in Population Health Science program studying cancer epidemiology and prevention. So I studied food nutrition during my undergrad. At the time, I started my first research project developing a novel food formula of milk powder with a specific type of dietary fiber, which we found can promote the growth of beneficial gut microbiota and alleviate lactose intolerance. This made me realize that diet, something very fundamental and universal, could serve as a powerful key to improving health. And later, during my internship at a local CDC, I had very hands-on experiences with public health epidemiology. I conducted population-level data analysis for chronic disease morbidity and mortality reports and witnessed the growing burden of cancer over time. And what affected me most was the participating in community dietary education sessions and meeting cancer patients face to face. So I think HSPH's cancer program is a perfect fit for my academic and career goals. It has a world-leading faculty members in cancer research, and many of them with joint appointments in the Department of Nutrition, which perfectly align with the two major themes of my research interest. And the rigorous coursework in cutting-edge epi methods, study design, and biostatistics really improved my data analysis skills and also provide the necessary training for me to become an independent researcher. So the combination of the world-class mentorship in cancer nutrition research and exceptional methodological training made HSPH the ideal place for my graduate studies. So my research centers around the complex interplay between diet, obesity, gut microbiome, and other omics and cancer. Under the mentorship of Dr. Mian Song, we aim to do translational research for clinical implications to contribute to personalized intervention and precision nutrition for cancer prevention and control. I'm currently working on assessing how diet and our gut microbiome may synergically contribute to blood inflammatory biomarker level using data from the training cohorts. By identifying microbial traits that may modify either the anti or pro-inflammatory effects of diet, we hope to refine the modern dietary guidance by considering those small yet impactful individual differences. So I would describe academic environment at HSPH in three words: rigorous, diverse, and collaborative. As I mentioned, the school offers rigorous training in coursework, which is very helpful to build a solid foundation for epidemiology methods and study design. It also stands out in its diverse resources and expertise available. The faculty represent an amazing diversity of specializations, and they're all super supportive. For example, in my own multi-omics cancer research, I have had the pleasure of collaborating with faculty and students across several departments at school, working with experts in nutrition, biostatistics, and immunology. Yeah, I think a typical day would depend on which stage you are at in the program. Typically, the first 2 years of PhD students will mostly focus on coursework to prepare for the doctoral qualification exam. For example, as I was preparing for my quals just a few weeks ago, my typical day consists of several lectures, followed by my study group sessions, where my cohort and I reviewed specific topics and worked through practice problems together, and also maybe hang out for dinner sometimes after a long day of studying. And after the qualifying exams, I anticipate the focus to shift primarily towards dissertation research, teaching, and attending the remaining classes required for my specialization. So I think three key elements make the Cancer IP program truly special. First is unique, outstanding professors. The faculty here are not just leaders in the field. Each professor brings their distinct expertise across different cancer types, creating the incredible intellectual environment where you are constantly exposed to cutting-edge perspectives. And I have to mention our amazing program director, Dr. Lorelei Muti. I have worked with her as a program assistant, and you can truly feel how much she cares about every student and whether the program provides as much as it can for students. This includes many department-hosted networking opportunities with other experts or alumni in your field of research, and also special academic or career events, and so on. Second is the unique partnership and connections, especially the partnership with Dana-Farber and other affiliate hospitals, which offers unparalleled research resources and collaboration opportunities. Another remarkable thing is the program's supportive community. You just feel like everyone is very close to each other, and we have IP buddies paired before you even begin your program. And the faculty and staff are all very approachable, whether it's academic challenges or personal concerns. You can always find someone willing to listen to and help. So yeah, I believe the Cancer Epidemiology and Prevention program at Harvard is a truly exceptional program.